Every morning is a sacred opportunity to reset your energy and align with abundance. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it's a magnetic force that rewrites your brain, attracts miracles, and opens the floodgates of blessings. When you make gratitude your default setting, life has no choice but to give you more to be grateful for. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Let's begin. Thank you for my breath. I wake up today with a deep reverence for the simple miracle of breathing. With every inhale, I draw in life force energy. With every exhale, I release all that no longer serves me. My breath is proof that the universe wants me alive and thriving. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for my body. I honor this sacred vessel that carries me through life. Thank you, legs, for allowing me to walk my path. Thank you, hands, for creating and holding love. Thank you, heart, for beating without me even asking. My body is a masterpiece of divine engineering, and I treat it with love today. Thank you for this new day. This day has never existed before and will never come again. It is a blank canvas of infinite possibilities. Thank you for the gift of 24 brand new hours to create love, grow, and experiences joy. I refuse to take this for granted. Thank you for the money I have. Even if my bank account is not where I want it yet, I am so grateful for every dollar that has ever come to me. Money is energy, and I welcome more with open arms. Thank you for bills I can pay, the food I can buy, and the opportunities that are coming. My wealth is growing right now. Thank you for my home. I give thanks for the roof over my head, the warmth, the safety. Whether it's a mansion or a small room, it is a sacred space that holds my energy. I infuse it with love today. Look around, bless every corner mentally. Thank you for my food. I will never take a single meal for granted. Thank you to the earth, the farmers, the hands. This food becomes my energy. I receive it with joy. Thank you for my clothes. Thank you for my clothes. I am grateful to have choices, colors, textures to express myself. Somewhere, someone wishes they had what I am wearing. Today, I dress with intention and gratitude. Thank you for my job skills. Whether I love my job or not, it feeds me. Thank you for my talent, my ability to learn, and the income that flows through my efforts. Better opportunities are coming because I appreciate what I have now. Thank you for my family, blood or chosen. These souls agreed to journey with me. Even in challenges, they mirror my growth. Today I honor them with patience and love. Thank you for my friends, my soul's cheerleaders. Thank you for my laughter, supporter, and memories. I attract even deeper connections because I cherish these. Thank you for my pets. Your unconditional love teaches me about presence. Thank you for your purrs, barks, or chirps. You make life sweeter. Thank you for my community. From the barista who knows my order to strangers who smile, we are all connected. Thank you for making me part of this human family. Gratitude for the earth and universe. Thank you, nature. The trees exhale so I can inhale. The sun gives without asking. The ocean's waves remind me to go with the flow. I am in awe of this planet's generosity. Thank you for water. Clean water is a luxury billionaires. Thank you for water. Clean water is a luxury billions lack. Thank you for hydration. Showers, rain, every drop is sacred. Thank you for technology. This device connect me to knowledge, loved ones, and abundance. I use it wisely and gratefully. Thank you for the hardships that shaped me, the rejections that redirected me, the pain that depended my compassion. I would not be who I am without these lessons. I forgive, release, and find the gift in every struggle. I give thanks now for the wealth that's already on its way, the love that's preparing to enter my life, the opportunities being lined up for me, the healing that's unfolding, the miracles I have not even imagined yet. By thanking them in advance, I put them into my reality faster. Thank you, universe, for absolutely everything, the seen and unseen blessings, the answered and unanswered prayers. I live in awe of how you guide me. I vow to carry this gratitude beyond this moment, to notice the tiny gift all day. A bird's song, a smooth commute, a kind word. My heart is open, my hands are ready to receive more. Thank you, thank you, thank you.